Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. I'm going to go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand. This is a fully automatic cup sealing machine. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this unit, it is about like a 10 inches wide. And the depth of the unit is about like a 14 and 3/4 inches deep. And the overall heights, they are about like a 21 and 3/4 inches tall. So we can see the units, the front, they can see the couple screwing the sticks. You can just mount the plastic right here and go rolling over it and do sealing the cups at the bottoms. And at the front, we can see they have a manual controls right here by the digital buttons with temperatures and the cup stylings. They give you some options right here. And for the center of the bottoms, we can see the cup sealing holders right here. And they can arrange the diameters about like 90 millimeters. And looking the behind of the units, the manufacturer give you a power cord. This one using the standard 110 plugs. And from the car sheet information, they mark 110 powers too. And from the manufacturers, they give you the manual books, and they can guide you how to operate this machine. So this will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.